I got this one on video.
3 years ago.
Oh, well, they're still in recovery. My sister and her.
Look in the sky again!
I understand that. I do. That's why I don't get mad.
You gotta hold it by the.
I do it to myself.
Look in the sky! I already got them on video. I'm getting them on video! It's a bad guy!
He's going. It's just on fire. I could not lie.
I got it on video. One, two, three, four. I declare what war.
Look at that one way over there.
I can't lie down.
I got it on video.
That one's way out there.
Definitely, I got all of them on video.
It's not. It just
I got it.
Hey, boy, this was actually
look at that
fun.
one way over there. Come over here, Jeremiah. Jeremiah, you're holding it strong.
It fell off.
Step on it. Do something.
You gotta turn around the other way.
It fell off.
Yeah.
Turn it the other way. Oh, now you don't burn it up.
I'm scared.
Dad said hold it in one spot.
Yeah, the other way.
Where's my dad? Where's my dad? Hey, anyone know where my dad is?
That's the problem.
Yeah, you have to open
There's
it
like
up.
4.
Hey, it's coming back down.
Oh.
Well, y'all better put that one out.
Again.
I gotta do it again.
Got it.
Well, we got other more. We got different ones.
I got more. I got. Y'all doing it. I got this on video. It looks like it's making a Big Dipper. What is?
Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Let me go.
Yeah, she opened part of it. Let me see, Mom. You're not telling enough.
Oh, things fell off.
Oh, God.
no.
I could have died.
Nope.
Let me put it out. Step on it. Step on it.
What'd you do?
Step on it. Step on it.
You ruined it.
No, I didn't. Here, look.
We're still good.
You soiled it.
We're still good.
You're so low.
Like a child. They're both flying.
It took off.
What if a plane
I
crashes?
think it's gonna make it very far.
Well, what if the plane what if a plane crashes into it?
I got it. I got it open.
Unfortunately, it looks like they're landing in the orchard.
Orchard?
Yep.
Well, looks like the orchard's gonna get bought down.
Yeah, give it a second.
Only person that got one go.
Looks like the orchard's getting bought down tonight. Guys, the orchard's gonna get bought down. From mine.
What?
Look, the ones way out there, the orchard's gonna burn down.
Oh yeah, I see that.
They're coming down. One of them's going down on the orchard.
It's not. It just looks like.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Oh yeah, that one is going down.
That one's going down. Yeah, well, one of them's going down onto the orchard, so everyone scram out. Which one?
No, it's gonna start going back up. See?
Oh, I see it now. That was going back up.
Mine's not expanding.
It's not.
Oh yeah, I can.
That's fire. That's a whole fire, Wesley.
Stop it out. I've been holding mine for like.
Yay!
Oh my gosh.
What?
She said, what if one of the waxes fell out? And that doesn't stop burning until it's out.
They probably burn it all the way down. That's such a far jar.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, by the way, I just got this all on video, and it's making a Big Dipper.
They didn't take pictures of it.
not taking pictures. I'm making a video. Going back down. Oh yeah. By the way, the orchard's gonna burn down from it.
I don't think it'll go yet. Actually, it might. 3, 2, 1.
Have fun. Show 'em around.
Look how slow that one's going. That one barely went over it.
That's because they're doing it right there. So.
Dude, look how cool that looks over there.
I know.
Way off out there, man.
Man, they're gone.
That one just burned out. I just seen one burn out.
Well, let's go light some more
Looks
up.
like one's dropping. Oh,
Yeah.
there it goes. It
Yeah.
fell.
Derek, you have a later?
Yeah.
Why don't we start burning more up?
Light.
Here goes mine.
There you go.
Alright, well I get this one on video.
Look at his wax.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully it doesn't fall on
All these got
Well,
burned?
that building's like a leaf.
Yeah, well what if the orchard burns down? That's gonna be bad.
On the other side of the building.
Imagine if one drops.
Come look at these.
Yeah, wait, one of them's falling. Look! The orchard's gonna get killed tonight. I know, but look, the orchard's gonna get killed. The apple orchard back there is gonna get killed. You know how? They're dropping right on the orchard. So what do you think is gonna happen to the orchard? It's gonna burn down on accident. Oh, they're all moving in the straight path. Look, I got this on video, so don't worry. I'll send it to Tay. Anyone else wanna get this on video? Anyone want to hold my phone? Who, me?
No, the person but there's going to drop.
You mean, April? Would someone hold my phone? And Jay, I'll send this video to you.
Yeah, send it to me.
Someone hold my.
That phone? Do you want to go hide from Goose? You
Well, while y'all do that, I'm gonna try to light one up. Burn orchard, burn! Burn orchard, burn! Burn to fucking death! Burn! I just tried to walk in and hit one of them. I was like, I'm out. I shot up. Oh, I shot up 50. I ran. Took 50 out. I got this all on camera. I got it on video.
Did you? Awesome.
8 minutes and 55.
Small one.
Chill,
Yeah, dude.
chill.
I tried.
Video.